Everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another square motif for you. Let's get started. For the pattern, you start by making magic loops, or we can start by chain 6 or 8. It depends the size of your yarn. Then join it together, and for the beginning we start to make 3 chain as one double crochet, then we chain 3 and we make another double crochet like that. Chain 3, one more double crochet to make it loops like that. We keep continue until we have 8 loops. At the end of row 1, as you can see here, I have 8 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For row 2, what we have to do, we come to that part. We start by make 1 single crochet, then 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the end we make 1 single crochet like that. 1 single crochet, 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet. Then we repeat again in this another loop by start 1 single crochet and 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 single crochet like this. We should keep continue until the end of the row. At the end of row 2, the pattern should look like that. Now it's time to join the job together. Make 1 slip stitch, second one, and third. Then in the middle of that, what we have to do, we are going to make for the first one 1 single crochet and 1 chain. Then we start by chain 2. It's time to make a V shape here by insert the hook between, make 1 double crochet, 3 chain, 1 double crochet in the same stitch, 2 chain, and when it comes to that part we make 1 single crochet like this. Now it's time to make a corner by chain 5. We make to the next one in the middle 1 single crochet. This one consider as a first corner. We repeat again like here by chain 2 in the middle, make a V shape, chain 2, and here 1 single crochet like this. Then we repeat by chain 5, here single crochet, and we repeat V shape, I'm going to keep continue like that until the end of the row, and I'll be back. This is the end of row 3. As you can see here, this chain considered as a corner. For the last corner, what we have to do, we chain 3, and then we join the job together by making 1/2 double crochet to make another corner like that. Now in this row, what we have to do, we chain 3 and we make 3 double crochet in the same space. Then we chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When it comes to that part, we make 1 single crochet, chain 5 again. Now we are on the corner. What we have to do, we make 3 double crochet, 3 chain and 3 more double crochet in the same space like that. Let's repeat again here by chain 5, 1 single crochet here, chain 5, and in the corner chain 3 and 3 double crochet, chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Like that. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row, and I'll be back. At the end of row 4, the pattern should look like that. Here on the corner we chain 3, we join the job together by a slip stitch. Now we are going to chain 3 as 1 double crochet. We make another double crochet on the top of this one like that. Then we chain 5, we make 1 single crochet here, chain 3, we make a pivot by inside the hook here like that, chain 5 again, and when it comes to the corner we make 1 double crochet on the top of each stitches, then we chain 2, we chain extra 3, make a pivot in the third stitches, chain 2, and we make 1 double crochet on the top of each one. Like that. Let's do it again in the middle by chain 5, make 1 single crochet, chain 3, make a pivot, chain 5, and go to the corner. Like this. We are going to keep continue until the end of the row. When you do all the pattern, after the end 5, you are going to have the square, the motif square like that. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.